Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Pandy Unicorn doing some crazy food time making. My sister is being the camera person right now. She's gonna help make some dessert in me. Okay, so today we are gonna try to do these. They're brownie cheesecake swirls apparently, and I bought these from the store for like $3. Okay, so now we're gonna start making the thing. We got the ovens ready, so we can skip step 1. We're basing off the instructions in the back. Ta-da! Okay.
We're not good at this anyway. It's just a cheesecake mix. Okay, we just need 2 tablespoons of that. And, yeah. Are you sure this looks like sugar? That's the cheesecake thingy. Why is there a brown thingy? And then we put an egg. We're going. There we go. Oh, here's our fast point. That's why I got extra spoons. No, just put 2. You don't have to mix it, just scoop 2. It's been already like mixed. Is it edible? Put on. Hurry up. Yeah, 2 good spoon version. If you ask me, just put half a spoon.
Okay, so Anna here will be doing the design of that, where we put the chocolate in. Because of us being lazy, we'll be using that knife.
Yeah.
That is totally safe for us to use. Okay guys, time to start designing.
You said to make an S around each circle.
Yes. I think that knife is too big.
Right? Yeah.
Keep going.
Hold on, we're getting a smaller knife.
Keep going. Okay, tiny knife making
Less
time.
interesting, but this is not going well.
You're not supposed to bring it up. You're just supposed to keep going. Swirly swirls.
You know, I can't do this. I'm not some professional coffee maker.
This is not coffee.
No, like, you know how the creamer, like the cream, like some people have those coffee designs?
Here, my turn.
No, hold on.
Give me.
No.
Give me. I'll actually make a design out of it. I'll try. Give me it.
No. Look,
Give
it's
me-
already a design. Look, you see it?
Here, hurry up. Now it's becoming too swirly.
Okay, done.
Well, that's our design for the cheesecake on top, I guess.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna bake it for half an hour-ish. 36 to 41 minutes.
I'm
Yeah.
making it.
And then we're gonna cool it, and then I'll show you the final process. Okay, so after the oven baking process, it turned out as that. I don't know how to describe this. It's puffy.
Well, it's not burnt.
Yeah, it's actually not burnt form, which is kind of surprising. The white stuff is just like that extra like creamy thingy and everything. But we had to cool it off for a bit.
The design is not really good.
Yeah, our
I'm
designing
not
skills
good.
are not great.
Yeah, because this is our first time doing this.
But we're gonna try eating it afterwards when it's cold. So yeah, so that's it for today, guys. We made this.